With its latest Vivobook S14 model, S3407CA, lightweight laptop designed for modern office and student workflows. At just 1.59 centimeters thick and weighing 1.4 kilograms, the S14 balances portability, build quality and performance in a way that feels remarkably Zenbook-like. Yet without the premium price tag. Here's our hands-on look at what makes this AI-ready ultra-portable stand out, and where it still leaves room for extra accessories. The 2025 Vivobook S14 retains the timeless, minimalist aesthetic that the series is known for. Both lid and underside are crafted from anodized aluminum, lending a reassuring solidity whenever you pick it up. Rounded corners and beveled edges soften the profile, creating a gentle but unmistakable sleek vibe. Asus has clearly reinforced the hinge mechanism, as the lid glides open and closed, with just the right amount of resistance, even allowing a flat 180 lay-flat position. Despite the thin chassis, there's no creak or flex in sight. Below the display, the full-size keyboard offers well-spaced, island-style keys with satisfying travel and feedback. Backlighting is uniform and controllable via quick shortcuts. The highlight here is the trackpad, which Asus has expanded by 40% compared to last year's model. Its glass-like finish feels smooth under the finger, and integrated smart gestures let you pinch to zoom, 3-finger swipe for task switching, or 2-finger scroll without fumbling through settings. Fingerprints and smudges remain minimal, even after a full day's use. On the left edge sits a USB-C port with power delivery and DisplayPort, alongside USB-A 3.2 Gen 1. The right side houses another USB-A, a second USB-C, a full-size HDMI 1.4 output, and a 3.5mm audio combo jack. While avid peripheral jugglers may want a dedicated docking station or USB hub, the built-in selection covers most day-to-day needs for students and office workers. No micro SD slot here, but the fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD can handle large files with ease. Asus has chosen a 14-inch WXGA 1920x1200 IPS panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio, giving 86% screen-to-body coverage thanks to slender nano-edge bezels. Text looks sharp, colors are vibrant, and brightness tops out at around 300 nits. Ample for well-lit offices and most home setups. The 60 Hz refresh rate may not satisfy gamers, but for spreadsheets, documents, and video conferencing it remains perfectly fluid. Dolby Atmos-tuned stereo speakers flank the keyboard deck, providing clear dialogue and moderately solid bass given the chassis constraints. Under the hood, the S3407CA is available with either an Intel Core Ultra 7 255H or Core Ultra 5225H processor, both part of Intel's new hybrid architecture that pairs high-efficiency and high-performance cores. During testing, productivity applications like Office 365, Chrome, with dozens of tabs, and light photo editing all ran smoothly with no stutters. Multitasking between virtual meetings, background downloads, and media playback felt effortless. Helped along by 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. User upgradable to 32 GB and a speedy 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD that delivered near instant boot and load times. A sizable 70 WH's battery promises up to 20 hours of mixed-use real-world runtime. An impressive figure for such a compact machine. In practice, you can easily clear a full day of classes or a cross-continental flight without scrambling for your charger. When you do need a boost, the included fast charger brings you from 0 to around 60% in under 45 minutes via one of the USB-C ports. Asus has woven AI features throughout the S14's experience. The integrated webcam works with adaptive dimming to detect if you look away, dimming your display to preserve privacy and reduce distractions. Multi-person detection alerts you if someone enters your workspace, helping you guard sensitive on-screen content. These touches position the Vivobook S14 as more than just a performance upgrade. They hint at a future where laptops intuitively respond to user behavior. For students, business professionals, and frequent travelers, the S14 strikes a compelling balance between portability, battery life, and everyday power. If you need occasional photo or video editing, the Core Ultra 7 version will handle lightweight creative tasks admirably. Those on tighter budgets may opt for the Core i5-134200H SKU, which drops AI features, but remains a solid 14-inch workhorse. Gamers and power users pushing high-end 3D rendering will likely find the integrated graphics limiting. The lack of a Thunderbolt 4 port USB-C General 2 only may deter those wanting ultra-high-speed external storage or multi-monitor daisy chaining. A brighter or higher refresh rate display would have appealed to multimedia creators. But for most business and academic applications, the current panel suffices. ASUS's Vivobook S14 2025 is an inspired evolution of a proven formula. Lightweight yet sturdy, long-lasting yet quick to recharge, and equipped with smart AI features that add genuine value. It remains one of the best portable office laptops you can buy today. Whether you're a student hauling textbooks across campus or a remote worker hopping between coffee shops and client sites, the Vivobook S14 delivers elegance and endurance in equal measure, without asking you to compromise on performance.